Is me Saurabh Junghare. I belongs from civil engineering backgrounds. I joined class of data science only from Google search and reviews of last batch student. Really, I am very satisfied from the ETLHive coaching classes. Whichever topic sir said to cover in demo classes, all those topics he covered definitely completed. And teaching experience is also good, and really I understand all topic whichever taking sessions. He also did practicals in class, and honestly, he never copy codes and program from anywhere. When he take class and always explain topic with theory as well as practicals in details manner. He gives time in session to complete practicals. He takes practical practice side by sides in only session. He also takes short revision of previous classes in every class before starting the session, and it is very best to understand topic very clearly. And he also take an in between doubt session for us, and if you get problems he explained personally also to me. So I am very happy from coaching science or teaching, and also takes projects of each topic and always give guides about study and tips for remembering steps of practicals and interview, ask tricks or give tricks question, also tells in session. And he completed all topics very dedicatedly, and he takes 7 to 8 class more to complete syllabus from target of session. He also face problems anywhere in explain. He explain and clears doubt. I am from non-technical backgrounds, and I am from non-technical backgrounds, so I have more fears about course at beginning. Sir always motivate me and always give suggestion how and to me in coaching. In coaching all topics, machine learning, deep learning, and time series, probability, statistic, data visualization, SQL, and all topics he covers very dedicatedly at class. He also taken resume preparation and interview preparation. I promisely says very satisfied from coaching classes. I suggested to everyone to become a data scientist. One of the best coaching, that is easily coaching.